Well, we're getting close to our movie night with all the kids of the people that worked on the house and stuff like that. And if any of the employees had any kids or grandkids too, cousins, whatever. But we're now sitting here going, oh, clouds are not over here, but they are over here and they're looming. And we only have about 20 more minutes. So I haven't set up the projector. We have the other mattress there we were going to put on the floor in front of it. We haven't started yet. I'm hoping, praying the rain can just not come. That would be great, because I got to get everything hooked up and ready to go for everybody. And we have food coming from the Beaver. We had them barbecue some hot dogs and Filipino spaghetti. We don't normally make Filipino spaghetti. So yeah, we'll start soon. Hopefully the rain behaves.
So I did a terrible thing. I grew up. Yep, that's me. Same shirt, same pants. The only thing missing was my soul.
Well, we got a lot, eh?
Yeah.
We've got like 20.
And also Jebby and Sid.
Oh yeah, there's more coming. There's more coming, yeah. We're the popular drive-in movie theater without a car. Everybody's having a great time though. We ran out of pop, we had to go buy more. It's alright. It was fun. Ooh. Not yet? Okay. Well, good morning, everybody. As you can see here, we did some reinforcement in case of wind. We came up with this little extra. And we also noticed that these will warp and stuff like that on their own, and we need to connect them all. So we're going to put some little flat brackets at the back with some short screws and bind them all together so that already, you can see one is already bowing out. We want to make sure we tie them all in. And as well, I don't know what happened here, but we're going to get this sorted out. I guess a wood filler. And fill that in, sand it, paint it. Just when I thought we were done. A little bit of garbage here. So last night, we were packed. It was super busy. We had all the kids of the neighborhood, I swear, here. Everybody had a good time. We had spaghetti and hot dogs for them because the kids love that the most. Filipino spaghetti of all things, not our Italian spaghetti we sell at the Beaver. And little Laura's falling in the sand there. Ouchie, eh?
It's not hurt.
Doesn't hurt anymore? Okay. Huh.
Sure.
Yeah.
See, that's a nerd.
Okay, good to know, good to know. We'll put a little makeup on for your little photo shoot, okay? Mommy!
No.
So silly.
It's my cereal.
Good morning, well, almost good afternoon now, and you can see here we showed them that, and we're like, that's just going to keep sliding out. The sand's not going to hold it. You need the cement wall that's here. So they bought another one. They're going to swap that out. And but I think they're still finishing at the Beaver first. They just wanted to drop that here, I think. And I just wanted to show you. Oh, there's little Laura. I don't know why she's crying. Probably because her mother locked her out. She takes everything so dramatically. Anyway, as you can see, the tides are starting to come up much higher, all the way to there. So good thing we have our wall in place. And, you know, a few more months, and we'll have it crashing up against probably. But it is a beautiful day. The breeze is feeling fantastic. It's lovely to just sit out here. But today I'm going to take you guys to a very special place here in Roxas City that just opened. That's really pretty awesome. It's a whole entertainment complex. Not something I expected us to have open so quickly, but it is. So let's go take a look. So here in Pueblo de Panay, which is the brand new modern, not subdivision, what do you call it? A township, a whole township like Makati, BGC, and those kind of places, Festive Walk. This is brand new to them, and this place is pretty extraordinary. It's called Shuffles, and it shows a big investment in Roxas City to have a facility that looks like this. So we're gonna go inside and take a look. Hello guys, hello. Wow, look at that. They got pool tables here, a huge bar. Oh wow, wait a minute, even more over there. This place is enormous. How are you guys?
Yeah,
Doing good?
Very good.
Fantastic. How many days you been open? 1 week?
1 week, yeah.
1 week.
Almost 2
Fantastic.
weeks.
Yeah, I've already heard so many good things about this place. And I got a few birthday parties there. Keep in mind, I came here in the afternoon on purpose so it wouldn't be crowded like crazy. Hello, guys. Hello. They got darts over on the far end. And yeah, check out this bar. Like, this is an impressive looking bar.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
How you doing, guys? Nice looking bar you got here. And check this out, they even have a dance floor here. Big speakers and everything. Fancy dance floor. And I just spoke to the owner now, because she wasn't expecting me. But she came to my grand opening, or soft opening, I guess you call it. And so anyway, and I just gave her heck, because I didn't get invited for their grand opening here. I had to see it on Facebook. Anyway, it's okay. I don't mind. It would have been crowded, and the mayor was here and everything, and there would have been a lot of fuss. So this way, I just get to walk around freely. I don't mind it so much. So the other side, though, that's what we're gonna head over to now. Wow, lots more pool tables over here. And look how busy it is. I can't believe it. It is literally 1:30 in the afternoon right now. And here you go with the bowling. Nothing is on right now at the moment, but normally the TV screens would have everybody's scores. And but everything is Brunswick, so it's like the top brand and everything. It's really good setup. It just looks like, you know, like a Western, modern bowling alley. And then of course it all lights up at night. Oh, they're actually turning the lights on for me. Look at that, look at that. Oh, yes, and of course, you got all the bowling rental shoes. Oh, they still smell great, and they sell the socks too.
Yeah, the socks.
Yeah, you gotta buy the socks. You can't rent the socks. But yeah, let's see. Most Westerners, maybe 12 will fit, maybe. Ah, okay, there you go. And it's 200 pesos per game, so that's really, you know, when especially to the Westerners, you're probably laughing. That's probably a pretty good price. And then for students, PWD, and senior citizens, only 160. Shoe rentals is only 30 pesos. Wow. And then the socks are 30 pesos. Darts is 100 per hour. Billiards, 200 per hour, or 100 per half hour. So that is like $3.50 for an hour there. Yeah, and then same with the bowling per game, it's about $3.50. And minimum 4 games per hour for somewhere there's a star. Oh, I guess that's what they're saying. Yeah, so yeah, this at night would look tremendous. And it's all 10-pin bowling?
Yes.
10-pin bowling. So it's brand new, 1 week only. Look at that. There's still, yeah, I mentioned that in the beginning because that's a big brand name for us at Brunswick. You still got some in the plastic. That's how new it is, okay? Spotless. And so the bowling side opens in 1 week?
Within the month, last week of July.
Oh, okay, so soon, yeah, this month then. In the month of July, the bowling will open. They did do it for the grand opening because, of course, the media and everything, we're all here. But it's officially going to be open to the public for the bowling the end of this month. I think it's absolutely amazing that something like this opens up here in Roxas City. It shows that other people have a lot of confidence in this city, and it's growing. It's absolutely growing. Nearby, there's going to be a huge convention center eventually, and that's going to really add to the area quite a bit.
KTV rooms.
Oh, wow. There's even more. They got KTV rooms down here. And they're set off in the distance so that I guess you don't have to interfere with anybody else. You won't hear the noise. Very private. Oh, wow. Look at this.
Studio.
I was not expecting this. There's a VIP room there. There's people in that one. There's the Motown. Oh, there's so many KTV rooms. Oh, there's people in that one too. And oh, there we go. This one doesn't have anybody in it right now. Look at that. So yeah, you can rent out your own private room in here. Sing to your heart's desire. This is nice. Now, is there service in here too? Yeah. Do you offer service inside these?
Yes. They get to pay a consumable for 3 hours. I
Right.
think 3,000 for 3 hours. That's consumable.
Nice. Is there a call button or you
Yes,
pre-order
yeah.
it?
Yeah, no, you can order. We have a button that they can call.
Oh,
we have
that's
a
so cool.
standby crew also. here.
Standby crew. Perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, this is really nice. Are they all this size?
No, we have 2 bigger rooms.
But they're taken right
Yes.
now. All right, all right. So this is the smaller one.
Yeah.
Right. So these are the studio-sized ones.
This is Sun Studio.
Oh, okay, yeah, and so they all have the disco lights though and everything, so they can be whatever crazy you want. Look at that. They even take care of the smell in here.
Yeah.
Very cool. But yeah, the big ones are of course booked out because the Philippines, they love to sing. You can hear them.
Here. So it's all studio.
So on Saturday nights, they have DJs that come in and they do retro nights. So he said there'll be a DJ and there'll be a huge party going on here tonight. So yeah, a big deal for us. You know, we're not a big city, so to see something like this really sets the level higher. They also have an outdoor patio over here and I guess a rooftop that is eventually going to open. I'm not sure.
That's an events hall soon.
Oh, you got an event hall. So upstairs they'll have an event hall. And you also have a patio up here.
Yeah, we can go there. For smokers. And
Oh,
plus
okay.
we have a dress code also, slippers not allowed when they, no,
Yeah.
your exception.
I wear the slippers. Yeah. So don't bring slippers. Wear running shoes. Okay. I'm just here filming. I'm not doing anything. Oh yeah, there it is.
So there's a patio if you want an alfresco.
There you go. And if you're a smoker, you have to come out here.
This
so.
can be rented for private events too.
Oh, okay.
Functions, so.
Nice place, man. My gosh, this is so nice. All right, so there you go. There is a very big option here in the city. Now I'm gonna take you guys over to another part where if you're like, you know, trying to pick up chicks, something like that, and you want to go to where the nightlife is at 2 in the morning, that goes to like 4 in the morning sort of thing, I'm gonna show you where to go so that you don't have to even find me at the Beaver to say, hey Michael, where should I go tonight? I'll show you. Okay, so this place behind me doesn't look like much, I get it, but at night it is crazy. So this one is called JB Bar and Restaurant, and no minors allowed. There you go. And they open all these shutters here and it goes further inside and the place gets absolutely packed late at night. Don't expect, geez, even 10 o'clock might be too early. Don't expect much then. You have to go much later and it gets packed. So they'll have live bands up on the stage sometimes and stuff like that. And in this area, there are 4 bars that compete against each other for all of this business. And so this whole area gets very crowded. Again, they look so much different at night. So this area over here will be packed with people. This place over here called Same Place. This place just got bought out. And they just redid the whole place, and again, everything looks prettier at night when they light it all up. And I don't think there's anybody in there at the moment. No, there isn't. And so yeah, this is where their check-in or whatever for the security and everything is here. But then let me see if I can put the camera up high enough. As you can see, it is a huge bar up there. And they got big live music and everything, and it gets absolutely slammed packed there as well. So it is a busy area. They got some more over there like KTV and I don't know, some bingo or something that goes on over there. But at night, this whole area gets very, very crowded, especially Friday and Saturday nights, but even weeknights, there will be quite a few. And so yeah, another great place to find somebody if you're trying to find a partner or something like that. Just meet friends, whatever. Of course, come to the Beaver. Of course, come to the Beaver. But to find this place, though, go to the only McDonald's in Roxas City. Drive through, go into McDonald's and just keep driving all the way to the back. The back of the McDonald's will take you right around this corner over here, and you'll come around to get to this spot. And here you will find the party. But if you ask the trike drivers to take you to the bar, Same Place, or JB Super Club, they'll probably know where it is. If you just tell them it's behind McDonald's, even better.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.